your hands together for the Puterbaugh Sisters.
Woo!
Get used to it. We're here. We're ghosts. Get used to it. We're here. We're ghosts. Get used to it.
We're Ghost Riders on strike. We deserve equal pay just because we work for screaming platforms. Thank you, keyboard man. Give it up for the band. Spooky.
Give it up for yourselves.
Ooh, give it up for Jamie's parents. Ooh. We had parents one time. It was 700 years ago.
I tell you what, it's good to be out.
It is good to boo here.
It is good to boo here. It's good to boo anywhere because we are dead.
We are dead.
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 Dead as a doornail, we're ghosts.
Dead, conjoined twin ghosts.
Yes.
We get booked once a year. And
it's good to be out.
And it's good to be here.
It is good to be out.
Ooh.
MacArthur Park, Dynasty, Typewriter.
Oh, MacArthur Park, spooky.
Yes. Do you like the show Deadwood?
Yes.
Do you like the movie Ghost?
Yes.
Do you like the musician Ghostface Killer?
Of course. And also anything by Fiona Apple. A lot of people are like, are you going to kill tonight? And we're like, yes.
Yes, of course.
Of course. But we are dead, conjoined twin
ghosts. Of course. A lot of people ask, have you ever been ghosted? And we say,
yes. We sort of invented the thing.
Yeah, that's sort of our thing. I mean, I'd love to try these apps that you guys are on. Love to try them.
But then they're like, we try to, text on
Sure.
fingers. And our fingers just go right through the app, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I would love to send an emoji like, had a fun time, Squirty,
Yes. I'd love to be like, ooh, maybe a sup stranger, peach.
Ooh, didn't have a good time, almost pukey,
Yes.
I would love to send something
Let's
like
go
that.
for a walk around MacArthur Park, winky face.
I had a great time, spa man, but we can't. We can't.
Because
We
our
try-
fingers slip right through.
slip
We
right
got
through
ghost
it,
fingers.
That's right. And we try to go on a date, and people are like, "Oh, you're haunting me," and I'm like, they have to hire a medium to get us out of there, and I'm like, medium. That's this side of the sister. Okay. All right, they're gonna keep coming like that.
Yes, they
are.
They are. Well, we did actually die during the Spanish flu.
That's right.
And I tell you what, between the reversal of Roe versus Wade and the pandemic, it is
Exactly the same.
feels like home.
Oh, it feels exactly the same.
Yes, you know what's good about being a woman right now? Nothing.
Oh.
Ooh, I feel like a woman. Do, 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 do. Let's go, girls, all the way to the abortion clinics.
That's right. But your pandemic was cute.
Oh, it was.
It's
You guys had a cute little time, didn't you?
Oh, did you have to get on your Zoom? Have a Zoom happy hour with your friends?
Oh, I had to do Marco Polo with my friends from the Midwest and get drunk.
Ooh, we had the internet. I got a stimulus check. Oh, I had to Zoom.
Oh, I had to get on Hulu and then watch Netflix and then back on Hulu.
Ooh, I had to open my computer, wear my work blouse on the top, but nothing on the bottom.
Yes, we
Bled from our eyes until we died.
Bled from
Our eyes until we died. That's
Yes.
right. And if I went outside and I had a thought, my husband would throw a horseshoe right at my head. Just the sort of life I lived. You know what I mean? Oh, I tell you.
Yes.
I tell you. It was hard. I mean, I
It
guess
was
you
hard.
could say we were sort of the first influencers.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
I
We were-
don't care if you guys like these jokes. You know
No,
what I mean?
it doesn't matter. It doesn't
I
matter.
am dead. You cannot hurt me.
Yes.
You know?
It doesn't matter. We've performed for Genghis Khan.
That's right.
We've performed for Beethoven. We've performed for Joan of Arc. We've performed for Billy the Kid, huge dick.
Mm-hmm.
Really, we've performed for anybody.
It's
It
been
was-
on Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure.
Yes. It's all we know about history.
Yeah, we did perform for Edgar Allan Poe one time, and he was like, nevermore, nevermore, nevermore. He hates female comedy.
Yes. But he loves the show That's So Raven.
It's true. He does. He does. He does.
He does.
He does.
Yes, we did become massive influencers during the pandemic because we did a duet with Megan Thee Stallion. Yes.
We sang the song.
You've got that ghost-ass pussy. There's some ghouls in this house. 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 Oh, thank you. And we wanted to sing a duet from our time. Maybe you guys
and now
know this
something
one.
from our time.
And now something from our time.
Jimmy crack corn and I don't care.
No, wait, let's take it again. Oh,
We've got the keys.
We've got the keys.
Give it up for a key man.
Oh, I love the keys. All right, let's try it again. Ready?
Try it again.
Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. But I do care, 'cause I love crack corn. But I do care, 'cause I love cracked corn. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Song about cracked corn.
That one's about cracked corn.
That is. Who doesn't love a nice shucked corn on the holidays, you know?
I tell you what, LA feels kind of like a dumpster fire right now, right?
Oh, spooky.
It's spooky.
But I do love this time of year because all the houses in Silver Lake get spooky. There's cobwebs. And I'm like, that's our thing. You know what I mean?
Yes, that's our thing. I like to just show up to Gelson and go, how much do you guys want to pay for that hummus? Boo.
Boo. Ooh. $52 is too much. Ooh.
I like to be like, do you think you're going to go out for one cup of coffee? $32.
Ooh.
Boo.
How much are those drinks? $100 for one sip? Boo.
Yes, it's fun.
It's fun. It is fun.
It is good, yes. And, you know, I will say we are equal opportunity ghosts. We know that there are ghost roles out there.
That's right.
You guys are ghosts out there. They're just not roles for two conjoined twin dead ghosts.
You think it's hard being an actress in LA? Try being a dead conjoined twin ghost trying to get a role.
We know that there's roles for ghosts, like you all know, it's Unsolved Mysteries child-sized ghost.
Of course, they're always casting for that. Tiny little ghost,
tiny little boy ghost, little girl ghost.
Right.
There is
not
always
two conjoined twin ghosts. They're not casting for that.
I didn't see that
Just
one on
Dynasty
Actors
Typewriter,
Access.
the only one that's casting.
And
Jamie
Jamie
Flam.
Flam.
So close all the time. All the time. She's always right there.
You're always right here too.
Yeah, always right there.
Right
Can't get away.
There's also a role that you guys might...
Hysterical woman ghost.
Hysterical woman, and that's any woman before 1993 staring out the window in a white dress going, where's my husband? Where's my husband? Where's my husband? Where's my husband? I'm scared. Where's my husband?
Is there a man around? Any man will do.
Yes. But they don't have that role for two conjoined twin ghosts. Yes.
That's right. But luckily, there's another role popped up.
Right, heard about that.
Yeah. Luckily, more roles for straight white men. God, thank God. It's the
true crime ghost.
Yep, and the only true crime's not getting booked in LA. Am I right? Oh,
I tell you what.
That's right. That's right. I'd like to hear ghost moans from the audience when we tell a joke and you go ooh.
Yes.
That's how I know we're killing.
You can feel the kill. I can feel it because even though I
can feel it because I'm dead. Yes.
And I will say also, in case you guys didn't know, which of course you don't, we do share the same vagina.
That's right.
And it is huge.
It is
it's
large.
Enormous.
That is one large
It is
vagina.
Enormous, cavernous even.
Gigantic.
A lot of people take pictures next to it, like the Grand Canyon, with their families.
That's right. A lot of families got lost up there. That's right.
A lot of people say, your vagina's so huge.
Right. Well,
Let's try it again. Our vagina's so huge.
How huge is it?
It's not like the Titanic because it's sunken in full of ghosts. All right. We've got more.
Our vagina's so huge.
How huge is it?
Well, let's put it this way. Last year, Shacktoberfest was hosted there.
Thank you. you.
Thank you.
You guys just now gave us the drum beat.
Well, Shacktoberfest is a good reason to have a drum beat.
I believe in Shaq just saying, I'm Shaq. I want to have a spooky
I'm
festival.
Shaq, now I'm spooky. You know what I mean? I love it. Absolutely
I'm Shaq. I'm in
love
Long
it.
Beach. Pay $75. I'm
Great.
into it.
Absolutely.
Our vagina is so big.
How huge is it?
It's like the pandemic. Because once you've been exposed, you have to quarantine for 2 weeks.
Yep. And I'd bring a ventilator up there because it's
It's musty. It's dusty. It's full of cobwebs.
full of webs. Oh, so
You know, we wanted to try just a little something, see if we get viral by the end of this.
yes.
The only viral load we got, of course, was in the Spanish flu.
Influenza, Spanish flu,
Of
blood from
course.
the eyes. You know that.
Try a little crowd work here.
So I don't know how it works, but I saw on TikTok that
Yes,
I ask
saw
you something and then
We go viral.
It goes viral. So where do you work?
All right, let's ask you,
All right.
where do you work?
Don't work. All right.
Me neither, because
Did
I'm a
anyone
woman
get
and I'm a ghost, and they wouldn't let me.
Did anyone get a clip of that? Did anyone get a clip of that?
Can we sell out arenas now?
Do I get to perform at a stadium now? You guys. All right. Well, we did see the light, so we have to go towards it. But
But we are going to leave you.
we would love to promote our album because you know what they say in LA.
It doesn't matter how you're doing as long as you look like you're well on Instagram.
That's right. That's right.
So we're gonna plug. Our DJ Spooky Bones is going to play
He's
a
on the
little
ones
hit.
and boos up there.
He is going to play a hit from our newest comedy album. We
It's
recorded
called
it in 1918.
Yes.
So we'll see if they still kick.
Yeah. Oh, that's where it hits. That's where it kicks.
They loved that one in Milwaukee.
They love it in Milwaukee. They love that in Milwaukee.
All right.
And then
Let's do another.
let's play another track.
This one's about
Feminism. So
Yes.
play that one. Yes. You get it, women? Yes!
There we go. Oh, they love that one in DeKalb.
Yes, that's a good one.
Oh, they love that one in DeKalb. And then
it's because they can relate. You know, they can relate.
And then-
and then one more.
And then I think there's the
one more.
audience is clearly wanting
They're
more. so
screaming for it.
let's give
I
it-
know they are.
Give one more, DJ
Screaming
Spooky
for
Bones.
it. It took me 7 years to write this. And that one's about my dad. So,
Good.
And now,
this
we'd like
is
to say-
it's a trigger warning because this might be very scary. It's the scariest thing I've ever heard.
this is the scariest sound we've ever heard, and I'd like to play it now.
Joe Rogan podcast, check it out.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
I've lived 700 years, and there's nothing scarier than a straight white man with a podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been dead. We've been
the
conjoined.
Puterbaugh
We've been the Puterbaugh
Sisters.
Sisters. Thank you.
Happy Halloween!
The Puterbaugh Sisters!
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Careful as you go. Easy does it. There they go. Perfect.
I know.